Do you know many people are having trouble with their Hikvision DS-K1T804MF going offline? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connections. Begin by checking all physical connections to ensure cables are secure. For Wi-Fi, ensure the device is within range of your router. Step 2. Verify network. Next, verify the device's network settings. Ensure the IP and subnet match your local network configuration. Step 3. Activate device. Confirm that the device is properly activated. Use the activation software to enable the device if necessary. Step 4. Restart device. Perform a restart by powering off the device, waiting a few seconds, then turning it back on. Step 5. Update firmware. Check for firmware updates and install the latest firmware to fix possible connectivity issues. Step 6. Identify interference. Identify any external factors causing network interference, such as electronic devices or physical obstructions. Following these steps, your Hikvision DS-K1T804MF should now be back online and functioning properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hikvision users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.